Hello everyone, today we're going to be having an interview slash call with Queso. Okay, Case, what do you have to say about the allegations of your employee Cade hurting people? I mean, there's videos of your employee Cade hurting people inside of your water park. What do you have to say about those allegations, and are they true?
The accusations against my employee Kate are very serious, and I don't condone any kind of violence in my business. I would like to assure you that I have looked into these allegations and have taken steps to address them. I want to make it clear that my business is a place for family and fun, and that any inappropriate or violent behavior is strictly prohibited.
Then why were people... Then why were people peeing on the floor, Queso? No, respawn. Queso.
That being said, I understand that my employee...
Case, don't get quiet now, Case, why... Case, are you there? Hold on, wait, guys. Guys, our person Case just got muted. Hold on. He muted himself, I think it's a problem. Case, right. Then why were people pooping on the floor, Case? I just have that singular question. Why?
I understand your concern, but I can assure you that we take any complaints about our facilities very seriously. In regards to the issues of people pooping on the floor, I can tell you that we have strict cleaning and sanitation protocols in place to maintain hygiene and cleanliness in our facilities. We regularly inspect our restrooms and common areas to ensure that they are clean and properly maintained. If anyone sees any health or sanitation issues, we encourage them to immediately inform a member of the staff so that we can address the problem promptly.
Okay, see now, what do you have to say about the allegations of your hot dogs being stale?
I take great pride in the quality and freshness of the food served in my business, including our hot dogs. Our kitchen staff are trained to prepare and serve only fresh ingredients, and we regularly inspect and rotate our food inventory to ensure optimum freshness. If you were in...
Okay, let me cut the crap, Case. There are heavy allegations that you used to be a drug dealer in a town known as Southside Town, aka known as Schedule 1. What do you have to say about that?
That's not true at all. I have never been involved in any illegal drug-related activities or any other illegal activities for...
Okay. What about beating up your employees? /customers?
I do not condone violence of any kind in my business. I maintain a safe and respectful working environment for my employees, and I do not tolerate...
What about the video of you tasing someone?
I'm not sure what video you are referring to, but I can tell you that violence of any kind is not tolerated in my business. I do not condone or support any kind of abusive or violent behavior towards staff, customers, or anyone else. My company is committed to providing a safe and welcoming environment for all, and we have policies and procedures in place to ensure that everyone is treated with dignity and respect.
Okay, so you're denying all the allegations, but people have already sued you for over $300 million, Case. How will you pay that off?
I can't discuss specifics of legal matters, but what I can tell you is that my business is fully insured, and we have the means to address any legal issues that may arise. We take all legal matters seriously and work closely with our legal team to ensure that we handle any claims
Speaking of your legal team, Case, who all are inside your legal team? Because we need to know that...
I can't disclose the names of my legal team members for privacy reasons, but I can tell you that we have a highly qualified team with extensive experience in business law, contract law, and litigation. They are highly skilled and knowledgeable in their respective areas of expertise and work
Right.
closely with me to ensure that our business operations adhere to all legal
Case,
standards
case,
and
case, case,
regulations.
case, case. Okay, see, now that we're done with that section, what do you have to say about your supermarket chain known as Goober Groceries, Queso's Gas Station, and Case TOZ Cards? What do you have to say about all those businesses? And did you earn the rights to those businesses fairly, because there are allegations going around that you didn't?
I own and operate several businesses, including Goober Groceries, Queso's Gas Station, and TOZ Cards. All of these businesses were acquired through legitimate and lawful methods, and all of their operations comply with all relevant regulations and laws. I would never engage in any kind of shady or illegal activities to obtain or operate these businesses.
Case, there is a video of you going around inside of a casino, right? And from what I'm seeing, Case, you are in heavy debt. I mean, you are down in the trenches, so how are you still able to afford these businesses, if you don't mind me asking?
I can't discuss my personal finances publicly, but I can tell you that my businesses are profitable and generate a steady stream of income. I have also implemented cost-cutting measures and streamlined operations to improve efficiency and reduce expenses. I continuously look for new opportunities to grow and expand my businesses, and I work closely with my financial advisors to make informed decisions that maximize profits and minimize risks.
But Case, as I'm looking this up real quick, as you hear me typing, Case, there has been a bunch of other allegations of your employee Tim. Do you have an employee named Tim at the supermarket chain? Apparently he is reporting you for unlawful, how do I say this, taking away his family, right? Are those allegations true? Case, don't be quiet, Case.
I am not aware of any employee named Tim in my business, and I can assure you that I treat all employees with fairness and respect. We do not condone any kind of unlawful practices, and we follow all employment laws and regulations.
But Case, there. How about an employee named Slim? Do you know an employee named Slim?
I can't confirm or deny the existence of any specific employees due to privacy reasons.
Queso, your business isn't private. It's literally a water park, a gas station, a supermarket chain. Case, come on. Bro, you have two supermarket chains. Just tell me, is there an employee named Slim anywhere inside your business's Case?
I can confirm that there is an employee named Slim who works at one of my supermarkets. He has been an integral part of our team for many years and has consistently demonstrated high levels of dedication and performance.
So, as I'm looking this up, do you also have another employee named Cade at the water park? Because he's supposed to be the lifeguard there, right? Am I correct?
There is an employee named Paid who works as a lifeguard at our water park. He is responsible for the safety and well-being of all our guests, and he takes his job very seriously.
But why does Cade push people so far to where they break their necks? Why does Cade do that, Case? I just need to get to a bottom of understanding to where you don't have to face any legal trouble.
Cade's behavior is completely unacceptable, and it is not condoned by me or my business. As I said before, we have strict rules and procedures in place to ensure the safety.
then why doesn't your board team or you fire Cade? He is clearly one major problem for your business, and yet you do not fire him. Please tell me why you don't.
Firing an employee is a serious decision that is not taken lightly. There are many factors that need to be considered before making such a decision, including the employee's performance, behavior, and potential legal implications. We are currently investigating the situation with Cade and will take appropriate action in due course.
Right. So, Case, as I'm ending off this interview, I have to say you're very compliant, and I really thank you, Case, for following through what I've said. Do you have any ending statements before I end this interview?
I would just like to reiterate my commitment to ensuring the safety and enjoyment of all our guests. If anyone has any concerns or questions, I encourage them to reach out to me or any member of our team. Thank you for your time and for the opportunity to share my side of the story.
Okay, I understand, Case. And there you go, folks. You hear it here. That is the end of the interview with the CEO of multiple branch chains known as Queso Dylen Baker. Now, in my opinion, it's clear that he didn't mean any harm, and he isn't a bad person. It's just due to all the legalities and people lying about his water park. Anyways, see y'all guys in the next interview. And the next interview will most likely be with another major person known as a rapper who only has 4 years in jail, known as Mr. P. Diddy. We will see him next week.